In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the coin option in the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the Send Cash option. This is the method we are going to use to transfer your USDT directly to your bank account. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Make sure you enter the correct amount before moving forward. Once you have entered the amount, tap on Continue. Now you will need to add your bank details. Enter your bank account information carefully and make sure everything is correct. Then tap on Continue again. At this point, the process will go through P2P. This means a buyer on the other side will send the equivalent amount of money directly to your bank account. You do not need to do anything at this stage. Just wait for the payment to arrive in your bank account. Once you receive the money in your bank account, go back to the Binance app and tap on the Payment Received option. This confirms that you have received the funds and releases your USDT to the buyer. Do not tap Payment Received until the money has actually arrived in your bank account. Always verify the amount first. That is how you do it.